Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two best AI website builder, which is Gamma and Appy AI. So I'm just gonna dive into it to help you decide which of these AI app builder can be a game changer for you. So let's get started. Talking about Gamma makes website creation effortless with its clean AI-driven design and fast setup. It's perfect for user who wants a sleek modern site without coding or design work. However, it's still light on customization and advanced features which might limit blogger project or bigger project. Also, on the other hand, talking about the Appy, it offers more versatility with e-commerce and multilingual option, which is great for small business, but its templates feel outdated and performance can lag at times. So the main conclusion, Gamma wins for ease and design, while Appy suits those needing extra features and flexibility. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.